Hello everyone, my name is Claudius. Together with Torsten, I'm going to teach the course on complexity economics at the Exploring Economics Summer School. And these video lectures here are meant to introduce you to the very basics of the Python programming language. We will use this language throughout the course mostly to build agent-based models, but also to do other tasks that are very common in the field of complexity economics. And I designed these lectures for people who do not have any experience with programming languages yet. Now, don't be afraid. This is not going to be very difficult. The main reason actually why we put it in this video lectures is that well, for those people who already know about programming language, this stuff is very basic. And for you, even if you don't have any experience in Python, it's probably sufficient to have a look at the script and you immediately are ready for the course. Yet for those people who do not have any experience with programming languages, it's probably best to look at the one or the other concept once or twice. So many of the things will make incredibly much sense to you after having done them once or twice, but might be difficult to grasp in the beginning. So we thought that it might be useful to have video lectures where it's easy to skip certain parts, but also to watch the one or the other explanation twice. I recommend to you to do this basic or the introductory exercises that are uploaded on the course page. And whenever you see that you have some issues with one or the other task, you can first have a look at the script and read it. And if you then still have problems, you can watch the video lectures. For all of you who do not have any experience with programming languages, it's probably best to just watch the video lectures. In case you have any problems or you encounter difficulties, please feel free to write me an email and ask me about it. And of course, also if you have feedback or anything else, please let me know. We will also send you a survey, which I would like you to complete. That would be very useful for Torsten and myself to focus the course on the things that you are really interested in. But for now, here in the video lectures, it's really basically only about the basics of Python. Now, I hope you enjoy them, because that's actually what programming is about. It's about solving problems and enjoying this process. And I hope I can give you a good start with that here with this introductory lectures. The lectures will cover the following things. In the first place, we will learn about the Spider IDE. That is a so-called integrated development environment. It's basically an elaborated script editor with a console and everything built into it. So that is very useful to work with. We will then learn about the basic functioning of the programming language like Python. We will then learn about the basic data types that exist in Python and about basic tools for programming, like writing functions, using if-else statements, using loops and things like that. All these things you will see are incredibly useful. It takes a little bit of time to get into it, but once you've mastered them, you will be surprised actually how many problems you can already solve with these issues. Now, I hope you enjoy the lectures, and I'm very much looking forward to seeing you in person then in Neudiedendorf.